Alright guys, I'm on the back of my machine. I'm up at my property out in the middle of nowhere, and my alternator belt broke. So I'm going to go through a quick video on how to replace the alternator belt on a Bobcat 650. The alternator is located on the right side as well as the water pump. So right down in here you got your water pump, and then right back here is your alternator pulley. So I've got my new belt. It was a Napa part number 9463 HD. They do make a 9463 and then the HD version of this belt. So I opted for the HD version. Okay, so the next thing that you need to do is, just like on an older automobile, there is a, right there is the bolt that you got to loosen up the alternator so you can get the new pulley back on. So I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, now on my machine I've got to take this bracket off, and it seems like its only function in life is to get in my way with repairing this belt. So I'm gonna see if I can get this off. Here, you want to hold that for me?
Is that the gas tank or oil?
No, it's the coolant. Here, can you hold this for me too, please?
I think that deer.
Don't let it hang. That's gonna pop out. Hold it under here.
I think that deer skid steer needs more of this.
Alright, now I got more room to get in here and hopefully get this thing loose. Is it still recording?
Yeah. It's cool and it's getting hard to hold. It's cool, it's getting hard to hold.
Alright, so what I had to do was come in at the back. I had to open up the cab and just use a crowbar and a 5-pound mallet and just tap on the back end of the alternator to push it forward. And you can see I push it forward probably about an inch, and that's really, I think, all I need to get that belt on. Alright, let's go try. Alright, there's that. There's that. Alright, so there you have it. New belt is installed. Nice and taut. Bracket is put back on. And the alternator bolts are tightened back up. Alright, so all in all it took me about 30 minutes. Maybe a little bit longer because I had to mess around with finding some tools and crowbar and hammer and that sort of thing. But overall, wasn't it too bad of a job. Pretty easy for mechanically inclined people. So save you probably a couple hour labor cost and then taking it to a shop. Hope this was helpful. You have a great day. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.